solved.
Yeah, it would be all, and the law enforcement clearly is trying to backtrack and try to learn
I got me a good place on the bed here where I can see what's going on.
So what they're going to
My head is
in that area that they
just wet from
is to use all of the video feeds that are in that area. And those video feeds hopefully will help law enforcement.
Have y'all been on a vacation or a little break?
Not much.
In that automobile that
Been busy.
Have you seen that Redbird Morgan? Look. Look at him.
You see it
So
for
this
me?
is all
Oh, he's
part
taking a
of the
picture.
investigation, that entire area in what is a crime scene. But
Man, is your vacation about over?
there
Ma'am?
are people
Ma'am?
that are
Is your vacation about over?
Well, we just started coming out today
Oh, okay.
for Thanksgiving.
Okay.
We're on fall break, so.
Oh, okay. That's good. You get to come back again.
So we are on a heightened state of alert. The FBI director recently put us on as much of a alert as
We'll water this plant.
And so when these incidents happen, financially we think terrorism. But I gotta tell you, when I look at this incident at that bridge,
They're talking about
when that vehicle went into the air,
the bridge.
and the impact of that vehicle, that it appears to me to have been a gasoline explosion, a combustible explosion.
Yeah.
So there is a lot of work that they're doing there.
We don't have an official.
Boy, it made a big explosion when that happened.
We see it's an
It made a big
explosion, that's what we're
explosion when that
going
car hit that bridge.
Yeah, big explosion. They don't know what caused the explosion. That's what the mayor was just saying.
Yeah.
Looked like a gasoline explosion.
Yeah,
Not a bomb.
Friends or family,
Somebody was carrying a
who owned the
can
car,
of
to try
gasoline,
and figure out who was
probably.
in the car and who might know why the car did what it did.